One of these 4 foods you eat every week is quietly linked to cancer, and it's not the one you're expecting. Reheating your leftovers wrong doesn't make you sick tomorrow. It builds up, silently, for years. Here's the twist: the food that should worry you most on this list isn't the junk one. It's the one nutritionists tell you to eat more of. I'm not going to tell you which one yet. But by the end of this video, you'll never look at your fridge the same way. 4 foods. For different reasons. Stay till the end, the last one is the one almost nobody warns you about. Let's start with the most common leftover on the planet, rice. Raw rice naturally carries a bacterium called Bacillus cereus. Cooking doesn't kill it completely, and if rice sits out or stays in the fridge too long, that bacteria multiplies and releases a heat-stable toxin. Here's the part that surprises people: reheating kills the bacteria. It does not kill the toxin. That toxin survives the microwave. It survives the stovetop. It goes straight into your gut. And it's not just the bacteria. Reheating starchy foods like rice repeatedly increases the formation of acrylamide, a compound the IARC classifies as a probable human carcinogen. The same one found in overcooked toast and fries. Something on your healthy meal prep list is quietly behaving like burnt fries. Fix: cook rice fresh when possible. If storing, cool within an hour, refrigerate, eat within 24 hours, never reheat twice. Now the protein almost every health-conscious person builds their meals around: chicken. When you reheat chicken at high heat, the proteins undergo oxidation and form compounds called heterocyclic amines, or HCAs. Once your body metabolizes them, they can bind directly to DNA. This isn't fringe science. Some of the largest cancer research institutions in the world have found a link between frequently eating reheated or well-done poultry and increased colorectal and pancreatic cancer risk. Pancreatic cancer, one of the deadliest, with a 5-year survival rate under 15%. The clean meal prep container in your fridge right now might be doing this every single day. Fix: eat leftover chicken cold in salads or wraps when you can. If reheating, go low heat, don't overcook. So if rice and chicken, the 2 most safe staples, carry hidden risk, what about vegetables? Spinach is one of the most celebrated vegetables in nutrition. Iron, folate, antioxidants, genuinely one of the best foods on earth. Fresh. But spinach, along with celery, beets, and Swiss chard, is naturally high in nitrates. Once cooked and refrigerated, bacteria on the leaves convert those nitrates into nitrites, the exact same conversion involved in cured meats, the reason the WHO classified processed meat as a Group 1 carcinogen in 2015. When those nitrites meet heat again, or your stomach acid, they can form nitrosamines. Some of the most potent dietary carcinogens identified in food science. And this isn't a fringe claim. EFSA has issued formal guidance specifically warning about reheating nitrate-rich vegetables. The irony: one of the healthiest foods on the planet, turned risky by a habit practiced in millions of healthy kitchens every week. Fix: eat leafy greens fresh or cold. If storing, airtight container, eat within 6 hours, skip the reheat entirely.